Want to turn an ordinary plant into a living masterpiece? It all begins with 3 bonsai essentials. Step into the miniature world of bonsai, where patience meets nature. Every bonsai tells a story, shaped by careful hands and timeless care. A bonsai garden is more than trees. It's a living gallery of patience and care. Each tree, from the sturdy juniper, the graceful ficus, to the fiery maple and ancient pine, carries its own story. A bonsai garden isn't just grown, it's nurtured, one careful touch at a time. Bonsai Care Essentials. Nurture your garden, nurture your soul. Through pruning, wiring, and daily attention, these trees are shaped into timeless works of art. Every bonsai artist begins with the right tools: shears, cutters, wires, and soil tools, the foundation of bonsai care. Pruning scissors keep your bonsai balanced and healthy, shaping its form while encouraging new growth. Concave cutters make smooth, clean cuts, helping branches heal neatly and leaving no scars on your bonsai. Wiring guides each branch into shape, creating movement and style while training the tree's natural growth. Wire cutters remove training wires safely, protecting delicate bark while preserving your bonsai's form. A root rake untangles roots with care, while a well-draining soil mix keeps your bonsai strong and thriving. A bonsai thrives in a well-draining soil mix, combining akadama for water retention, pumice for airflow, and lava rock for strength. A sieve removes fine dust from soil, ensuring the perfect balance of air, water, and nutrients for your bonsai. Every cut, every bend, and a handful of soil is a quiet conversation between you and the tree. With the right tool and gentle hands, you're not just growing a tree, you're shaping time. Pruning controls growth, maintains shape, and keeps your bonsai balanced and healthy. Pruning is the heart of bonsai. It's where artistry and care meet in every cut. Maintenance pruning keeps your bonsai neat, removing excess shoots and leaves for balance. Structural pruning shapes the tree's framework, guiding branches into a lasting design. Seal paste protects fresh cuts, helping wounds heal and preventing disease. Use sharp bonsai scissors and cutters for clean, precise cuts that heal quickly. Trim new shoots to control direction and encourage finer branching. Leaf pruning reduces leaf size, increases light inside the canopy, and encourages fresh, compact growth. Always prune during active growth. This helps your bonsai recover and flourish. Never remove more than 1/3 of the foliage at once to avoid stressing your bonsai. prune with vision and patience. Each cut shapes the future, transforming your bonsai into a living, evolving structure. Wiring guides branches into shape, creating movement, balance, and style in your bonsai. Two main wires are used, aluminum for beginners and copper for advanced shaping. Choose young, flexible branches for wiring. They respond best to shaping. Always anchor the wire to a sturdy base branch or the trunk for stability. Wrap the wire at a 45-degree angle, firm but gentle to support the branch. With one wire, you can shape two branches, saving effort while maintaining balance. Use even spacing, firm wraps, and guide the branch gradually. Proper technique ensures smooth bends without damage, giving your bonsai natural flow. When removing, use wire cutters. Never unwind the wire to avoid harming the bark. Always bend branches slowly and gently, preventing cracks and ensuring safe shaping. Mist your bonsai after wiring and pruning. It refreshes the tree and eases stress. With patience and practice, wiring transforms your bonsai into a living artwork of balance and beauty. Repotting refreshes the soil and prevents roots from becoming pot-bound, keeping your bonsai strong. Repotting gives your bonsai fresh soil, more space, and room to breathe and grow. Carefully trim long roots to encourage fine feeder roots that support healthy growth. Place mesh over drainage holes to keep soil in while allowing water to flow freely. Position your bonsai slightly off-center in the pot for balance and natural style. After repotting, keep your bonsai in the shade for a few weeks to recover and regain strength. Every cut, every wire, every repotting brings your bonsai closer to a living art. A bonsai garden is a journey of care and patience. With each tool, each cut, and each touch, your tree becomes more than a plant. It becomes a living work of art.